If you've ever wondered how to run itch.io games on Windows, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the simple step-by-step process to open both browser games and downloadable games from itch.io, so you can get straight into playing without confusion. Whether you're new to itch.io or you just want a quick refresher, this guide will make the whole process easy to follow. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software and gaming guides. All right, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to itch.io. Once the site loads, use the search bar to find the game you want to play. You can type the game name directly or browse through categories if you're still deciding what to try. When you find the game, click on it to open the Games page. This is where you'll see the details, screenshots, and most importantly, the play options. Now, the key thing to check is whether the game is a browser game or a downloadable game. This is important because the steps are a little different depending on the format. If the game runs in the browser, you can usually start playing right away. If it's downloadable, you'll need to install or extract the files first before launching it on Windows. Let's start with browser games. If the game is labeled as a browser game, look for the Run Game button on the game page. Click that button, and the game should open directly in your browser. In most cases, it will start loading right away, and once it's finished, you can just begin playing. This is the fastest and easiest way to run itch.io games on Windows because there's no download or setup required. If the game is downloadable, the process is still simple, but there are a few extra steps. First, click the Download button on the game page. Depending on the developer setup, the file may download immediately or give you a list of available versions. Choose the correct version for Windows if one is available. Then download the file to your computer. After the download finishes, open your Downloads folder or wherever the file was saved. If the game came as a zip file, you'll need to extract it first. Right-click the zip file and choose Extract All, or use your preferred extraction tool. Once the files are unpacked, open the extracted folder and look for the .exe file. This is the executable file that launches the game on Windows. Double-click the exe file to start the game. If Windows shows a security prompt, you may need to click More Info and then Run anyway, depending on the file and your system settings. That's normal for many indie games, especially smaller ones from itch.io. Once the game opens, you should be ready to play. If the game does not open right away, make sure you extracted all the files correctly and that you are launching the .exe file from the extracted folder, not from inside the zip archive. Also, some games may require extra files in the same folder, so moving or deleting anything can cause problems. Keeping all the files together is the safest way to make sure the game runs properly. And that's really all there is to it. To run itch.io games on Windows, just open the game page, check whether it's browser-based or downloadable, then either click Run Game or Download, Extract, and open the exe file. It's a quick process once you know what to look for, and now you can jump into your favorite indie games with confidence. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.